Imagine launching your own KDP publishing business effortlessly. Turn your dreams into reality. Launch your own KDP publishing business today. Enter Blaster, world's first AI app that allows us to exploit Amazon's KDP program and instantly publish profitable books every single day like clockwork. Blaster is your secret weapon to cashing in on the $1.4 billion Kindle market without ever writing a single word yourself. All thanks to AI content mapping algorithm that finds hidden niches in KDP and generates keyword-targeted ebooks that are primed to sell instantly. 100% hands-off profit system. Just feed it a keyword, and Blaster works its magic. Passive income stream. Set it up once and let it keep earning on autopilot day in, day out. Zero effort, zero skills. You don't need to write a single word or have any prior experience. Blaster's predictive AI ensures that everything from content to formatting is handled automatically. No experience, no problem. You don't need to be a writer or a marketer. Blaster does everything for you. Generate full books with 200+ pages in any category you want. Generate novels, kids' books, non-fiction, or anything else you might think of. Zero upfront cost required. Blaster is all you need, and nothing else. Think about it, just one keyword could be the foundation of your next big payday. No need to brainstorm ideas, format ebooks, or even understand the KDP platform. Blaster handles it all. Turn your publishing dreams into reality with just 4 clicks. 1. Create your account with Blaster. 2. Just enter any keyword you want inside Blaster dashboard. It can literally be anything. You don't need any kind of research. 3. Within seconds, Blaster will provide you with a fully formatted and designed book of over 200 pages, ready to publish on Amazon's KDP. 4. That's it, you are done. Now all you have to do is refresh your account and watch sales roll in. Don't wait any longer. Start your journey to becoming a published author today. Grab Blaster now and unlock a special discount for a limited time. Click the link below now to watch Blaster in action.